see the row based versus column based. First, let us understand what is mean by the row based, what is mean by the column based. Okay, so so that it will be easy for us to understand. Okay, without knowing this one. Okay, I mean these are all the fundamental things. I'm not saying that one. These are all the fundamental things. Okay, row based versus column based. Okay, let me explain you. Now let me open any one of the document slash n FBL 3n. Let me open the any one GL account related. Let me open any one document postings. Let me show you. Okay, now let us assume this is the document. Let me open first of all the document. Now you can see here in this document, the document it contains the 4 line items. Okay, so how the system, even if you want cost center and profit center which is not displaying, if you want you can just adjust the fields, I mean layout, it will appear over here. Then in ECC, the data which was storing into the data which was storing into the rows. Okay, how it was storing, I'll take the same example here. I'll take the first of all, what is this? The document number. Okay, this is the document number. I'll take the screenshot like this. Document number. Okay, let me take the same document which is having the 4 line items. So that is the reason I just have taken the 4. Then let me copy this one. The tax code also. Let me put it here. Okay, now this is the account. Okay, GL account. Now this is the my GL account. This is the some GL account text. This is the amount whatever I want, whatever the amount which I have entered. Okay, now let us assume what was happening in ECC system. Now this is the row based. Okay, row based. Now what was happening now in ECC system? In ECC system, let us assume now the row is nothing but this entire fields. Now if I want to, if system would like to read the data. Okay, how system was able to read the data in ECC? The system was reading entire row. Okay, first the system was reading the document number, then GL account, then text, amount and currency and tax code. Okay, so what was happening here, how the system, okay, then if we talk about the, now if you can see here, if you can see here row based. Okay, now row based, now customer number, country, product and amount. Now you can see here the row based, the system was reading first customer, country, product, then after that what is happening, amount was reading. Okay, now the row based storage in memory would looks like, I mean how the storage was there in the, okay, then now what was happening here, the system was reading one by one. Okay, first system has to read this one. Now let us assume I want to, I have given instruction to the system, I want to read. Okay, system would like to, let us assume I will insert two more things here is the, okay, then this is the, then let this is a balance sheet. Okay, let us assume cost center 1, cost center 1, cost center 2. Now if I want to generate the report without a cost center, what is happening? Okay, I have given the document number and the customer number, customer or vendor number I have given. Okay, then what was happening, system was reading all the fields. Okay, all the fields, all the line, whatever the data which is happening one by one. Okay, without even what is happening here, the system must have to read in this form. Okay, so meaning that how the system was able to read, first the document number, then 1901, then the GL account number, then the amount, then the amount, then the last one is a cost center. System was reading. Now you can see here why the system was reading in this form, because the document information which is storing in ECC, it's a different tables, it's a combination of multiple tables. Okay, now GL account storing in some other table, then the currency is a document header is storing some other table. Even in S4HANA also document header table, it's the remain same. But now the open items are storing in customer open items are storing in different table, cleared items are storing into the different tables. So that could be the reason. Then system was reading the data in the form of the row based. Okay, now because since the data was storing into the different rows. Okay, the rows, I mean different combination of tables. But now S4 HANA, in the S4 HANA we can see here column based. Now you can see here column based. I will explain you how the column based will be there. Column based. Now the S4 HANA, they come up with the column based reading functionality. What will happen? This is my column, right? I'll take the same example here also. Okay, I'll take the same example here also. Then what system is reading in S4 HANA? The system was reading in this form. Okay, in ECC, but now system is reading in S4 HANA. It's a column based. First system will read this document number, then try to identify, try to find the GL accounts, then one by one. Now you can see here. Now, so what it will happen, because the data which whenever the report is going to generate, first system will read the all the columns, then the next action the system will perform the, okay, the next row. Okay, row by the step by step system will go. But now where we can able to see in which table it's a, in which format it is reading, I will show you in the system itself. Let me go to here, go to S11. Okay, anyone you can take any one of the table, then go to the BSIS. Let us take the BSIS table itself. This is S4 HANA system, don't confuse. Okay, this is my S4 HANA system. Selection conditions, view fields, maintenance status. Okay, read only. Let me go here. Yes. Okay, let me go to the basic. Otherwise, yes, PSEG, PSEG table. There is it. View it is there. If we can go inside of that one, we will come to know how the data. Yes. Now come to the technical settings. Okay, technical settings, just click on the technical settings, come to the database specific okay properties, come here. Now you can see here how the data which is reading in S4 system. Now you can see it's a column based, it's not the row based. Now you can see we have the three options. One is a column based, row based, and the undefined. Okay, two options are there.